So today's words of inspiration is going to be a little bit different because I don't just have a word, but I have words. Today I want to make a case for telling people the truth in love. Now I know at times it might be difficult to do that because of people's feelings and we don't know what the reaction might be to the truth, but it's important that we do it in love. For instance,
if you smell me, better you tell me now. Don't bother wait till later. When me go road, everybody I hold knows and them are friends when them I walk past. If you smell me, boss, one go tell me if you all a shower. You better tell me say you smell me, you smell me.
Trust me, it's very important that we tell people the truth in love. Nobody have we out here skunk up the place and I commit nasal homicide. Alright? Share this with someone who you feel might need these words of inspiration.